point of view, water is a compound of the elements oxygen and hydrogen. From a technical point of view, water has the power to move many things. Generating energy from the power of water represents large amounts of clean, renewable energy. Energy for the future. A large part of the hydroelectric power throughout the world is already generated by turbines and generators from Voith Hydro. For over 100 years, the value of our products and services has been proven. The first Francis turbine with a modern distributor was built by Voith in 1873. Since then, Francis turbines, including the world's largest and most powerful, have been in operation around the globe. All our products and services are designed specifically for our customers' needs. Custom-made Pelton turbines have been supplied by Voith Hydro since 1903. In 1916, our company performed developmental tests in the Voith Research Laboratory in partnership with Victor Kaplan. We were the first to recognize the importance of his invention. Higher full load efficiency and higher flow capacities of bulb and pit turbines can offer many advantages over vertical Kaplan turbines. Our compact bulb turbine is rather young. It was first designed in 1955. For all our turbines, we've designed and manufactured generators since 1866 to put the power of water to work. Associated control systems and a range of services by Voith guarantee excellent performance. At Voith, tradition and innovation go hand in hand. A sense of responsibility for the coming generations and for the environment and sustainability demands a reliable partner with proven quality awareness. Voith, engineered reliability.